Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful weekend. Today is the first trading day of the week, 12th of January 2021. As always, I would like to show you how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank amazing pips today. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. If you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into straight to the EURUSD, pound dollar and the dollar CAD pair. If you look at the EURUSD, if we in 4-hour chart, as you can see from Friday we were long and banked beautiful pips. Today we were looking reversal. We had one small pullback long trade at the New York the Asian session. Afterwards we were looking a pullback short trade on EURUSD, and let me share with you, we had only one long trade on based on the analysis. As you can see here, beautiful pullback, only few pips, which technically we came out at the break even. We haven't seen any big moves. We had this breakout trade, which, as I mentioned, most of the traders have banked beautiful pips. That was this breakout. As you can see here, based on this one, we had this breakout short trade and most of the traders banked beautiful pips. I was offline, so I haven't updated that analysis, but as you can see, we had a pullback long, few pippies, and then we had a breakout short as mentioned on the analysis, short trade on EURUSD. Afterwards, we are looking at breakout of this pound EURUSD, this breakout. As I mentioned, if the price gonna break this one, then probably we're gonna see the pullback short trade here, and if the price gonna break above the previous high, which is you can see here in 4-hour, then probably long here. We'll keep you updates. This is the analysis I've already done for my traders. As you can see here, this is the analysis, so we'll let you know about this analysis update tomorrow. Let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had a quite interesting moves. As you can see here, 4-hour, based on the 4-hour, price nicely respected. If you look at the previous price action, you can see here price nicely respected this level. Said this is quite major resistance level. After this rejection, we had this morning beautiful short trade here and banked beautiful pips, and we were looking along at this pullback. We also had a pull breakout long trade long on pound dollar. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. And if you look at the intraday analysis, this is the analysis at the London morning session. As you can see, this was the breakout because, as explained to my trader, price developed a head and shoulder pattern, and based on that, price nicely respected at the 4-hour major resistance. We had this breakout, and afterwards we have another beautiful pullback short trade here. As soon as the price hit to the 4-hour level at the support level, that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. And at the New York session, as you can see here, price respected here many times at this support level in 4-hour, which is I explained to my trader. So possibility of breakout long trade here. As you can see here, we had a beautiful pullback based on the 4-hour, and intraday we have valid technical sideways market breakout long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the fib channel, that's the previous high, as you can see here in 4-hour, that's why we explained to trader it's time to enjoying pipping. So we had a beautiful short trade and the long trade on pound dollar. Let me share with you the dollar CAD. We had a both long and short. Let's see. Okay, if you look at the 4-hour chart, Friday, we can see here we had a beautiful short trade, bank beautiful pips. Today, if you look at the market open, you can see here price nicely respected this support level. As you can see here, candlestick pattern, inside candle pattern. So we had this breakout long trade here as soon as the price hit this level, which is previous low broken, and we were looking a pullback short here. We had this beautiful long trade, bank beautiful pips, and we also had a short trade here and banking beautiful pips. Let me share with you the intraday analysis of the dollar CAD. If you look at the dollar CAD at the London morning session, as you can see here, this was the pretty straightforward breakout explained to my trader. Price developed a false breakout. As you can see here, price could not maintain this level. As you can see, price developed a consolidation based on this intraday. We had this triangle pattern breakout. As soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA in 4-hour at this level, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit and look for another pullback. And at the New York session, that's what we explained to trader. There's a possibility price might going to develop a pullback because the price respected here. Based on the 4 hour, we were looking at short. So if the price gonna break, then we should be taking. At that time, we look at the dollar was weakening, and that's time we explained to trader it's time to take a short trade here as soon as the profit target hit. And that's what we explained. As you can see here, previous level in intraday, that's what we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. So you can see we had a beautiful long trade in the London morning session. At the New York session, we had a short trade, beautiful pips on dollar CAD. So we're really enjoying pipping both long and short on dollar CAD. All right guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. The another trade which we had, a pound yen, beautiful trade. We can see we were short and long, and let me share with you. You can see here beautiful, you can see here beautiful based on this triangle pattern this morning. As you can see, if you look at clearly, I explained to my trader in intraday, price develop head and shoulder pattern. As you can see here, my signing here, and so looking for this breakout, which price nicely broken 4 hour, and we had a beautiful short trade bank, beautiful preps. And afterwards, I also broadcast that information. Price develop a bearish flag pattern, and the target would be 200 EMA. We had another beautiful pullback, short trade bank, beautiful pips. At the New York session, that's what we explained to trader. Look for if the price is going to break previous high or previous low. As you can see here in the analysis, we can see here beautiful long trade. We had it on pound yen. So we had a beautiful short trade this morning, and at the New York session, beautiful. As you can see here, as soon as the price hit to the previous high, that's what we explained to trader it's time to enjoying profit. You can see here banking beautiful pips. All right guys, that's it. I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As I said to you guys, the most important thing is you should be watching those analyses in the real time and enjoying pipping in real time and developing your trading skill in real time through live intraday analysis. That's my main objectives, to train and help traders through in the real market through live intraday analysis. And once my traders develop a good performance, and then we can open door for get funded from platforms. If you are interested how I help my traders through this platform in real time and how I help them to get funded, feel free. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy banking pip alongside with my other professional trader. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.